Euro yen. Alright, now I want to just refer to my last video, which was on Friday. Actually, alright, in that video the price was exactly here. We talk about the sell and buy. Actually, there was no sell, but we had a buy setup. As we can see, even in my last video, I mentioned, I highlight this one. If we get anything similar to this one, that's mean the price move up, and we had this correction, the small flat, which I mean, in my last video I was highlighting this one. If we get this one, we can look for buy. That's mean for the euro yen, the trade of this week, the earlier on Monday, was this one. Okay, but this one was there was no setup here, because trading this was not, there was no setup here. The only one was this one. Okay, if anyone is still is in the trade, at least they're supposed to know how to manage the trade, because we don't know the price from here can reverse or can drop down. Okay, but for those traders, they have this trade when they see this type of the setup. Alright, this type of the correction, they should take out the trade, or at least move their the stop loss to somewhere around here to keep to book their profit. Okay, now we need to see how we can trade for again. Okay, now if we refer to daily chart, we see that we, even in my last video mentioned, we want to see how this correction can be, whether the price from drop from here or not. We get a deeper correction. This is the only question. Then if we move to forward chart, okay, based on the forward chart, alright, now we want to see whether we get the deeper correction here and the price can continue go higher, or this one can continue and come lower. Okay, or another things, the price can reverse and go up without giving us a correction, similar to, for example, similar to what we have here. Okay, that's means slowly price correct. Then okay, in this case, if we need to see, if you want to look for buy, then first option, if we get a deeper correction. If we didn't get a deeper correction, or if we see the price moving fast, if give us any correction, I don't suggest here. Okay, as long as they break the top, then we can make a decision. Buying within this range is not a really good idea. Okay, now we move to 1 hour chart, because right now we don't have any trade setup. We don't have whether the price, because the reason is we don't know whether the price can go lower or not. Okay, how about if we want to look for this one for sell? From what we have right now, I'm not interested at all. Okay, because the only option having entry below this, because we do two shadow, I really don't like to trade for this. The only times if we get a deeper correction, yes, then we can look for sell. Okay, but now that we don't have any information, because it's not that if we are not sure whether we can put this one as a correction for one move up or not, because the way it's moving here is quite complicated. It's not complicated, it doesn't give us any proper trade setup that we can look into it. That's why we just let it correct here the price, and we see what type of the correction we get. Then from there we can make a decision whether we buy or sell. Okay, from right now what we have it, if we see any deeper correction here, yeah, from there we can look for one move up. Okay, or if we see the correction we get from here for sell, it should be similar to what I'm drawing here, then yes, we can look for one move down. But as I say, we don't have any trade setup, we just follow the chart. If we see any update, I will share on YouTube. Thanks for watching.